Affidavit of Objection to Compulsory Medical Disclosure and Procedures. I, Justin blah blah blah, County of blah, State of Pennsylvania, reserve my rights to my medical privacy and assert and declare under oath that it is a violation of that right for anyone or anybody, including corporations, companies, institutions, industries, agencies, counties, states, countries, etc., to compel me to disclose my private medical information. It is also a violation of my rights to compel me to undertake medical procedures not originally agreed upon, such as immunizations up to and including the so-called COVID-19 vaccination and any subsequent boosters and immunizations as a condition for participation in society, both private and public, including employment with private companies. Violation of my rights include any changes made without my foreknowledge and consent on items and contracts such as insurance policies and premiums, and status and standing in regard to any and all of my affairs in the private and public realm. I will not tolerate discrimination. I reserve my right to any reasonable medical treatment I may need in the future without submitting to unwanted medical procedures to obtain it. Any such violation of these rights will be deemed a breach of contract. Declared emergencies and mandates made by men and institutions of men will in no way negate or diminish any of my rights or freedoms that are granted by the Creator. Any violation of said aforementioned rights is an affront to the will and testament of God and will be cause for criminal and civil complaints, both here and hereafter. This document also acts as a religious exemption to any and all vaccine policies for those individuals or entities that may require it for the purpose of conducting business with me. This document is ordained and made valid through my membership in the body of our Lord Jesus Christ. Selah. Affiant saith not. Justin blah blah blah, then sign, have the notary public sign it, and date. Notary publics cost anywhere between $5 or $7, something like that. You can use this as a general outline to make one up for yourself. You can copy it verbatim or change it up. I don't really care. But yeah, I'm going to send this to my primary care provider and my local hospital in case they try any funny business with refusal of treatment if I ever need any. Possibly I'll be sending this to my employer in the future. I don't know yet. But I've used affidavits before on things. I cleared my credit up using affidavits. Was refunded some money by another incident using affidavits. So I don't know. It's just another way of declaring your rights, stating the truth under oath. But there it is. Also, when you do send them to places, make sure you send it certified mail, return receipt requested. You want to keep these for your records and have it on a record. Usually a non-response from places is considered an acceptance in court. Also, when you send it certified mail, they have to sign for it. It's basically signing a contract. And if they're unresponsive, or you don't get a response within 30 days, that's considered acceptance. They accept your contract, and that it can be enforced in court. All right, thanks.